Hello students, I welcome you all once again. In the previous classes, I have started a new chapter from organic chemistry and the name of the chapter is halogen compounds. Okay, in those two classes or in the two videos, we have learned or we have seen some introduction about halogen compounds, classification of alkyl halides into primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Okay, and in the second video we have seen about the nomenclature of alkyl halides and also we have seen how to name alkyl halides according to common system as well as IUPAC system. Okay, and after that we have seen about aryl halides, their classification and also allyl and vinyl halides. Okay, hope you have watched those two videos. Kindly learn each and every point, students. Okay, now in this class, we are going to learn about the chemical reactivity of alkyl halides. What is that we are learning under chemical reactivity of alkyl halides? You know, students, alkyl halides are highly reactive. How can we say that alkyl halides are highly reactive? The reason for this is alkyl halides consist a carbon halogen bond. Okay, so shortly we call it as CX bond. X is the halogen and C is carbon atom. Okay, and what if CX bond is present in alkyl halides and how this CX bond is responsible for the high reactivity of alkyl halides? You know, X, that is halogen, it is highly electronegative than carbon atom. So we say there is much difference or greater difference between the electronegativities of carbon and halogen. Okay, students, and hence this CX bond is highly polarized. Okay, why this is highly polarized, students? Because X is more electronegative than carbon. X means what? Halogen. Okay, so there is much difference in the electronegativities of carbon and halogen. Therefore, carbon-halogen bond is highly polarized and this is the reason for the high reactivity of alkyl halides. Okay, understood? Now, so this X is highly electronegative. That means it has the capacity to attract the electrons of CX bond towards itself. Okay, so what happens? Halogen is acquiring a small negative charge and carbon is acquiring a small positive charge. Okay, students. So why X is getting a negative charge? Because it is more electronegative than carbon atom. Okay, and hence it can attract the electrons of carbon halogen bond towards itself, by which X acquires. X means halogen acquires a small negative charge and carbon atom acquires small positive charge. Understood? Till here understood, students? So what are you going to write under chemical reactivity? Alkyl halides are highly reactive compounds. That is your first point. Next point, the reactivity of alkyl halides is due to the presence of carbon halogen bond, that is CX bond, which is highly polarized because of the greater difference in the electronegativities of carbon and halogen. Since halogen is more reactive than carbon, it attracts the electrons of carbon halogen bond towards itself from carbon. Okay, as a result, the halogen atom gets a small negative charge and carbon a small positive charge. So, here you can observe in the figure, X is attracting the electrons of carbon halogen bond towards itself. So, X has a small negative charge and carbon has small positive charge. You know, students, because of this negative charge on halogen atom, that is X, it can come out as a halide ion. What is halide ion? How do you write halide ion? X minus. For example, Cl minus, Br minus, okay, any halogen you take, okay, so it comes out as a halide ion. When will it come out as halide ion? On approach of a nucleophilic reagent, okay. So when a nucleophilic reagent approaches, this X with its small negative charge leaves in the form of a halide ion, okay. So that's what I have written here. Presence of small negative charge on the halogen atom facilitates it to leave as halide ion on approach of a nucleophilic reagent. Clear? Now, what is there on carbon atom? Positive charge. Because of the positive charge on carbon atom, alkyl halides can exhibit two types of reactions. What are they? Substitution reactions and elimination reactions. Okay, students. So, negative charge is formed on halogen. Positive charge is formed on carbon. So, because of the negative charge on halogen, it comes out as halide ion when on approach of a nucleophilic reagent. Okay. Now, as there is positive charge on carbon atom, alkyl halides can exhibit or show two types of reactions, namely substitution and elimination reactions. Okay. So, these are all the points you are supposed to write when you are asked the question chemical reactivity of alkyl halides. Okay. So, we'll be getting this question as a short answer question, students, and mark it as an important question also. Okay. Now, is the answer easy for you? All the points, are they clear? Hope I made this reactivity of chemical reactivity of alkyl halides very easy for you. Okay. So, write down all the points in your notebook and learn each and every point carefully. Okay, students, and don't miss any of my upcoming classes, that is upcoming videos. Okay, because we will be learning important topics from halogen compounds. Okay, thank you.